Hey guys! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Again, this is BM Gaming and today, ang pag-uusapan natin is all about FWC 2025. Anyway guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga panibago nating uploads regarding kay FWC. Let's go! So, welcome back mga tol, no? So today, pag-usapan natin itong launching ng FWC server this 2025 for Flight Universe. Now, alam niyo naman guys na mahal natin yung game na to, no? Kasi ever since nilaro natin to, ay talaga namang paldo tayo sa RMT dito sa game na to. And since meron silang tinatawag na seasonal server, which is si FWC, marami na naman pong players ang papaldo dito, especially mag-up pa lang siya by tomorrow. Now, ano nga ba yung mga dapat nyong malaman na information regarding FWC para at least aware kayo sa kung paano yung magiging progress nyo dito? Now, mag-up siya by tomorrow around 4 PM Manila time. So, ilalive natin siya dito sa channel natin. And magpapa-level tayo dito guys. Ang goal natin dito is to reach a level na somehow makakapasok sa level 90 na dungeon for basically para makapag-farm tayo ng mga pet kasi mahal yung pet dito. But anyway, there are different methods aside from farming dungeons sa FWC. I think you can also do the errands farming strategy here. Meron din naman leeching service. So, kaya ang goal natin is mapalevel lang mabilis yung mga characters natin para at least if in any case man na merong gusto magpa-leash, meron tayong mga characters na magagamit for leeching services. Okay? Ganun siya kasimple. But there are different ways. I will definitely make a video about it. But I think over the past years, guys, I also created guides about Flight Universe. So, you can do backtrack. Meron naman tayong playlist ng Flight dyan. So, huwag kayong mag-alala. I got you covered, guys. No? But anyway, 2025, mag-up na to by tomorrow. So, mag-pre-register na kayo, guys. All you just need to do is to click pre-register here. Alright, and then ilalagay nyo lang dito yung character name nyo. But anyway guys, bukas pa naman kayo makakagawa ng character. So make sure lang na yung IGN na gagamitin nyo is not common IGN. Okay, kasi baka mamaya ang gamitin yung IGN is yung common IGN. So possible na yung reward imbes na mapunta sa inyo, mapupunta dun sa gumagamit ng common IGN na yon. So make sure that you have a unique IGN in-game. Okay, paggawa nyo ng character para at least hindi kayo mahirapan. So, let's say ako lalagay ko dito yung name natin. So, BM. So, lagay natin yan. So, send. Alright. But anyway guys, madali lang naman to gawin once na nag-up na yung official server. Kasi, wala pa naman eh. But anyway, ayan, nakita nyo nga, you have successfully pre-registered. Alright, to the Flight World Championship. Yan yung ibig sabihin ng FWC guys, Flight World Championship. Alright, now ito yung pre-registration reward. So, explain ko lang din. So, amplification is basically will help you level up faster kasi magkakaroon kayo dyan ng bonus experience once you use it. It only lasts for an hour. So, kapag binuksan nyo yan, make sure that you utilize the 1 hour. Okay? You will also get Vital Drink or Refresher Hold. I think naka-box yan. So, itong Vital Drink or Refresher Hold for those people na, or for those characters, for Refresher Hold, basically, para sa Unli. No? Kumbaga parang Unli mana. Alright, Vital Drink, I think this is for HP. Power Scroll, of course, you will get an HP plus attack. I think 100 HP din, 150 attack. Flash Box, STR naman yan. Extra bag, 15 days isa. Tapos grilled eel, pang HP din to. So, ito palang Vital Drink X, ano to, parang, kasi dito may mana, tapos meron pang isa, yung parang color yellow. So, yun. But anyway, FWC, so ito yung server info nila. So, 200% XP, 200% drop rate, 200% enhancement rate, and meron ding FWC exclusive store. Tapos, meron silang event promotion, which is kapag nare-reach nyo yung certain level. Kaya, that's the reason why gusto ko na makapagpa-level tayo agad dahil merong level achievements dito. And first come, first serve yun, guys. So, kung mauna kayo magpa-level, automatic yun, makukuha nyo yung rewards per level. Meron yan sa mga previous servers nila and meron din yan dito. PvE time ranking, defeat boss monsters in Colosseum, and then PvP tournament. Of course, yung mga competitive players natin dyan. So dito naman, sabi nila, it's gonna be region to region. So magkakalaban yung NA at saka LATM. Yung Zone 2 naman, EU and Africa. Zone 3 tayo, of course, CE and MENA. And then Zone 4, East Asia and Oceania. Alright? Now, ang nanalo is yung Astral team. Ang laki na napanalunan nila guys, 80,000 USD. And then yung runner-up, 20,000 USD. That's like almost 5 million na yung 80,000 USD. And then ito naman, almost lagpas na ng 1 million. So yan. Ito naman, ang FWC 2025 has a prize pool of 110,000 US dollars. Grabe, laki na ito. So kung talagang addicted kayo sa Fly, and syempre gagastusan nyo yung character nyo, hindi malabo na kitain nyo yan. But anyway, in terms of making money, madali dito guys, and I will update you sa rate by tomorrow. Kasi tomorrow malalaman ko kung magkano yung bentahan ng penya dito. But I'm hoping guys na makalaro kayo dito kasi yung ibang games natin like with ang dami ko nang nakikita na naglalaro. Also with COM, madami na rin naman naglalaro. With Ragnarok, I don't really see an RMT way doon. I tried to check pero wala talaga akong makita. So nagta-transition tayo sa ibang game which is If Life Universe. So hopefully guys, mag-enjoy kayo dito sa game na to, kumita rin kayo ng malaki, and yun naman yung lagi nating goal. And this is free to play, so you don't have to spend anything just to enjoy and play the game. Employ no? Nagsama yung enjoy tsaka yung play. So anyway, yun nga, if you have any other questions, pwede kayo mag-join sa group natin. Nandiyan naman yung link sa description. And also, ilalagay ko na rin dito sa baba ng video natin. Yun lang guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And alam nyo na mga brad, peace out.